Unit 199 Names. Listening and speaking. Do you like your name? According to an encyclopedia definition, a name is a label for human, thing, place, product, and even an idea or concept normally used to distinguish one from another. Names can identify a class or category of things, or a single thing, either uniquely or within a given context. A personal name identifies a specific, unique, and identifiable individual person. The use of personal names is not unique to humans. Dolphins also use symbolic names, as has been shown by recent research. Individual dolphins have individual whistles to which they will respond even when there is no other information to clarify which dolphin is being referred to. Here is what some readers of a popular magazine advised expecting parents as far as their baby's name is concerned. Please be nice to your kids when naming them. Also, keep in mind that they will be a person of their own, and it depends on how they display themselves with the name that has been given to them. I think names sound as unique and cute when they're adults as they do when they're kids. I think it's all in how you carry yourself. So, if you think a name is cute as a baby, give it to them. Don't name your kids these older, more sophisticated names as babies just so they sound better as adults. I think any name is fine as an infant and as an adult. This was Beatrice. If the name you choose is on the top 10 list, I think you should reconsider. Think back when you went to school. It's annoying when everyone seems to have the same name. I was just looking on the birth announcement for one hospital. It was like everyone agreed to name their child the same thing. To make it worse, they all just add extra letters in to make them different. Choosing a name is a big responsibility. Trendy names can be fun now, but think about the long run. Anna. One of the most important tasks of parenting is naming your child. This is because when you choose a name for your baby, you're creating the baby's future. Your baby's name is the single most important influence on the development of your child's personality and destiny. A perfect name for your baby creates constructive thinking patterns, and it's the greatest gift and protection you can give, allowing the child to be expressive and happy, be healthy due to the positive name influence, express his or her inner purpose more fully, fulfill his or her greater mental potential through a harmonious mind. In 2006, Emma for a girl and Aiden for a boy were the top names in the USA, although in 2005 parents preferred Aiden spelled with an AN. Meanwhile, 7 newcomers entered the top 100. For girls, Aubrey, Juliana, Maggie, and the intriguing Nave, heaven spelled backward. Made the list. For boys, Brody, Miles, and Peyton rose into view. Now, my question is, what is a name? Can you give me your definition? I would say, a name, well, this is a word that can identify a thing or a group of things. Do you agree? And they give us here a really nice definition according to an encyclopedia definition, okay, what a name is. Also, what we have here is the opinion of 2 women, and they express what they think about naming their children. Now, let's go on. Now we have some questions. Let's look at them. Do you agree that it's a great responsibility to name your child? What do you think? Okay, maybe yes. It is a great responsibility to name your child. But you can also say that it's much more important how you raise your child, yes? Question 2. Do you like your name? Why? 3. What are the most common names in your country? Well, that's a good question. 4. Is there tradition in giving children names in your country? Do you like it? Yes? We do have this kind of tradition. And what do you think? Do you like it? 5. How did your parents choose your name? Are you named after anyone in the family? Okay, to be named after someone. Pay attention. 6. What are some really unusual names you've heard? 7. Are there any names you absolutely hate? Why? Well, what can we say here? I don't think that one can hate a name, really. You name a person. Okay, you can hate a person or something, yes? 8. Do you think names shape our personality? To what degree? 9. Does your name have a meaning? If so, what does it mean? Okay, can you express this in English? 10. In your culture, when you introduce yourself, does the last name come first or the first name? 11. Do you have a nickname? If so, what is it? How did you get it? Do you like it? Well, when we talk about nicknames, sometimes they can be really offensive. Don't you think so? Well, moving on. 12. What are some interesting nicknames that you've heard? 13. What do you think of people who name their children after months, seasons, or days of the week? Okay, really funny. 14. What do you think of parents who make up unique names for their children? 15. Some parents give their children names in alphabetic order. Do you think it's a good idea? Okay, just reading it, well, it makes me laugh. But what is your opinion? 16. What was the name of your first girlfriend or boyfriend? Have you ever dated two different people with the same first name? A really good question. Okay. 17. What are some titles you can think of? For example, Mr., Mrs., Professor, Duke, etc. Okay. 18. Do you think it is okay to give pets human names? Once again, it's a funny question. What is the most popular name for a dog, cat in your country? 19. Do women change their name after marriage in your country or keep their maiden name? 20. Is it ever appropriate to call someone names when? 21. Do you believe some names or words have magical qualities? Well, great question. 22. Do people in your country predict the future according to names? 23. If you could change your name, would you? What would it be? Why this name? Well, definitely I wouldn't change my name. Well, 24. Do you remember any kids whose names other kids in school made fun of? Well, you know, sometimes children can be really bad and cruel to each other. So, what were their names? Question 25. Can your name mean anything funny in your language? 26. Have you ever known a boy that has a girl's name? Wow. Or a boy that had a girl's name? Are they unisex names? Well, I don't think in our country there are unisex names. 27. Are kids in your country named after popular film, show, characters? What do you think of that fashion? Well, we have really great questions to speak on.